Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you install a Verizon Connect dash cam wiring, mounting, and app activation steps. Step 1, you need to prepare the vehicle. Park on a level surface and turn off the engine. Clean the inside of the windshield where the camera will be mounted. Download and sign into the Verizon Connect installation app. Step 2, you need to connect the power cable for OBD2 port, common for passenger vehicles, 9-pin diagnostic connector, common for heavy duty trucks, 3-wire hardwire connection, which is recommended only for experienced installers, 6-pin connector for supported vehicles. Step 3, mount the camera. Sit in the driver's seat. Position the camera high on the windshield, usually behind or near the rear view mirror, and make sure it doesn't block the driver's view. Remove the adhesive backing and firmly press the camera onto the windshield. Step 4, adjust the cameras. Aim the road facing camera so it captures the road and horizon. Adjust the driver facing camera if equipped to clearly view the driver's seat without obstruction. Step 5, route and secure the cables. Tuck the cable behind trim panels or the headliners. Use the included cable clips or zip ties to keep wiring secure. Avoid routing cables over or around curtain airbags or moving parts. Step 6, activate the camera. Open the Verizon Connect installation app, scan the camera's barcode or enter its serial number, assign the camera to the correct vehicle, complete the activation process and verify the camera is online. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.